Hello, I'm El Green, and this is my Wix website. So, when you first go to my Wix website, you will arrive on the home screen, which has a paragraph about me, just who I am, where I go to school, what grade I'm in, what some of my hobbies are, what I like to do, what classes I take, and a little bit about my family. And the next pages, and then this is just a photo of me. And then I have a couple of pages, so I have my computer science homepage, which has just welcome to my computer science pages, because these are all different computer science pages that are connected here. I said, linked are all the different pages for the many computer science classes I have taken and will continue to take. So here, all of these buttons are linked. So if I click on cybersecurity, it'll take me right to my cybersecurity page. So far in cybersecurity, I've uploaded my hash video, and we've been doing Cisco Packet Tracer. So I have uploaded a video for one of the assignments there. And then I have a link to my engineering notebook, which is a notebook that I've been taking of all of the different notes for Packet Tracer and everything like that. I have a Patriot page, which is one of the clubs that I do that has to do with cybersecurity. I have a little bit about them. This is their banner. This is just their promo video, and then these are some photos that I've taken doing different activities in the actual Cyber Patriot competitions. So this one is giving users passwords. This one is uninstalling applications. This one is password settings, and this one is one of the forensic questions that you can see right here. And I can go back to just my regular cybersecurity page again. If I go back to computer science, I also have my computer science software engineering, which is actually a course I took last year, but I am keeping all of my past ones and my future ones on the same page. That way you can just have a more broad view of everything I've done. Right here I have some of my virtual machine work and Dropbox work. All of these icons are linked to, like this one's linked to my Oracle, this one's linked to the Ubuntu website, or the VMware website, and the Microsoft Windows 10 website. I also have a video of how to update a Linux OS, and a video on my different PyCharm, GitKraken, and GitHub things. Just how I use them and the different things that they can do for you. And finally, I have my research and development, which is a project I worked on last year in my computer science software engineering class. I was actually programming drones using Python. So this is a video I did about my research and everything. I have a page for research that kind of just has all of the different ways. It has some promo videos, some stuff about Tello that you can learn about, and then my development, I made videos once every Friday about the developments and the new things that I had been working on and what I wanted to do the next week, and I made a paragraph underneath them, and that was really fun. I have some stuff for my academics. I am going to add more to this page, but so far I have stuff for Cyber Patriot, because I've been in Cyber Patriot both my freshman and sophomore years, and these are my awards for being in Cyber Patriot. I'm going to be adding probably proof of, or something, I don't know. But I recently did a Ferris State University cryptography competition, and my team actually got second place, so I will be showing that. Some of my hobbies, I'm gonna add more to this page, but so far I have videos on volleyball. These are 2 videos from my club season, and this is a volleyball video from my actual season for school. This is my resume, so my career goal, I want to go to college for cybersecurity mostly, maybe a little computer programming, maybe some forensics, I'm not really sure, but I really want to play volleyball in college. These are some of the courses I've taken, so obviously your standard basic classes, like civics, bio, geometry, ELA 10. I took Spanish 1 in 8th grade and Spanish 2 in 9th grade. I have some of my computer science classes, so I have Intro to Computer Science, Computer Science for Engineering, Patriot or Cybersecurity, Advanced Computer Science, some of the classes I'm taking this year, ELA 11, Chem, Algebra 2 Data Analysis, A-Push, I'm taking Trig, and Improv. Some of the clubs and extracurriculars, I've been doing Patriot, obviously for 2 years. I did a little bit of esports, but with the pandemic, we haven't really been doing esports as much. I have JV volleyball from my freshman year, varsity volleyball from my sophomore year this year, and my USA Michigan volleyball, which is my club season. Some of my technical skills, I have my virtual machines. I used Oracle VM VirtualBox with Linux and Ubuntu and Windows 10. And then I used VMware Workstation with Linux, Ubuntu 10, or Linux, Ubuntu, Windows 10, Windows Server, and I also did some Kali Linux, which was cool. Some of the stuff I've been using GitKraken, I've been using GitHub, just a lot of like different things. We've been using Cisco, we've been using Udacity, different things like that. Some of the programming, I've done a lot of Python. I've recently started doing Android Studio also. You can check out my Advanced Computer Science page for some more stuff on my Android Studio, and you can check out my Computer Science Software Engineering for Python. A lot of the information about like the different things that I've done are on my different computer science pages, and then this is just some ways. This is just like my email to contact me, and I have a contact me form. So I just say thank you so much for visiting my site. Any questions about anything, you just put in your first, last name, your email, and type a message and submit it, and it goes right to my email. And then down here I have my email. This is a link right here to my YouTube page, which was created specifically for my my computer science videos for both my Wix website and just myself. I have a Bob Ross quote, because who doesn't love Bob Ross? And another quote, just because, I don't know, I feel like it really just brings people up to have like nice quotes and stuff. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this gave you a better understanding of my Wix page. Obviously, I am going to link my Wix page in the description of this video, and if you have any questions, go to there and contact me using my contact me form. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See ya.